You look.
Aww. Amazing little booger, ain't it? It looks like a little kitten or something.
It's gonna be funny when it turns out to be a badger.
Yeah.
Little possum.
Little booger.
It's alright. Oh, it's not getting.
Looks like he has a beard.
He's getting aggravated because he's trying to suck and wasn't getting anything. I'm sorry, I didn't know. I thought you was squirting it out, bringing it out. Here you go. Here it is, here it is.
It's just not hungry anymore.
No.
Hasn't been squared up.